How's it going, people? Welcome to another episode of Wildlife and Art. My name is Elvis Musolola, and I'm an artist based in Botswana. So, first things first, please make sure you like the video, comment, and share. You know what's up. And today I'm going to be painting a parrot. I just love the colors on this beautiful bird, so I thought let me give it a go. And as you know me, I like to paint birds. For reference, I'm going to be working on a 4 canvas panel using acrylic paint.
It's Arsenal 1, Bayern Munich 0, and it's Urian Timber with the goal. Well done. Urian Timber does. It's just a glancing header, it's just a perfect header from Timber, it really is. 22nd minute, and Arsenal have the lead. And it's their right back, who I mentioned earlier, has been one of their, if not their most consistent.
On Wednesday night, 10 p.m., my favorite team, Arsenal, played Bayern Munich at the Emirates. So since the match was late at night, I thought, let me just start a new painting and watch at the same time, because the match would end at about 12 midnight, and I needed something to keep me up so that I don't fall asleep. So I started a new painting. We went on to win the match 3-1. So yeah, it was a good watch. Really enjoyed doing two of my favorite things at once.